Perfectly shaped eyebrows can transform your face, highlighting your eyes and giving you a polished look. Here's how to master the art of eyebrow shaping. First, identify your natural brow shape. Use a spoolie brush to comb your brows upward, revealing their true shape. This helps you see where they need filling or trimming. Next, choose the right tools. Invest in a good pair of tweezers, a brow pencil, and a clear brow gel. These will help you achieve a defined yet natural look. When tweezing, focus on removing stray hairs that fall outside your brow's natural arch. Avoid overplucking, as this can lead to sparse brows. To find your ideal brow shape, align a pencil vertically from the corner of your nose to your inner eye corner. This marks where your brow should start. Then, angle the pencil diagonally from your nose through your pupil to find your arch. And finally, align it with the outer corner of your eye to mark the end point. Once shaped, fill in sparse areas with a brow pencil using light, feather-like strokes for a more natural appearance. Finish with a clear brow gel to set the hairs in place, ensuring they stay put all day. With practice, you'll master the art of eyebrow shaping, enhancing your natural beauty effortlessly.